Hello, good people, and welcome to an episode of Cooking with Chef Shah. On today's menu, we'll be making bruschetta chicken. This is a quick and easy meal full of flavor and great for meal prep. The full recipe and directions have been displayed on the screen and will also be available to you in the description box. Starting off, you're going to prepare all the ingredients you'll need for your bruschetta. I'm starting with Roma tomatoes that have been sliced and seeded. You can also use cherry tomatoes that have been quartered. You're going to small dice your tomato, then add it to a bowl. Next, you're going to cut your red onion. I'm thinly slicing my onion on a mandolin, but small dice is also a great option for this dish. Next, you're going to take 2 garlic cloves and thinly slice them so that we can create garlic chips. Reserve any small pieces that you were unable to slice. We're going to mince that, then set it aside to use later. Now you're going to move on to the chicken breast. These are thinly sliced. Season your chicken with the spice blend, add the minced garlic, mix well, then set aside. In a warm, not hot saute pan with oil, add your thinly sliced garlic. Continuously stir the garlic in the pan until it becomes golden brown. Be mindful not to allow the garlic to cook too fast or the temperature of the pan to become too hot. This will cause the garlic to become bitter. If necessary, remove the pan from the heat and allow the residual heat to continue to cook the garlic chips. Once the chips are done, remove them from the heat and allow them to cool. In the same pan, without rinsing, add oil and allow the pan to become hot. The pan should be slightly smoking before you add your chicken breast. Once the pan is hot, add your chicken and cook until it reaches the appropriate internal temperature, then set it aside. Now let's finish the bruschetta. Take some fresh basil and align the leaves so that you're able to roll them up, like so. Now you're going to thinly slice the basil into strips. Add your olive oil, vinegar, monk fruit sweetener, salt, pepper, and fresh basil. The sweetener is totally optional. In my opinion, it enhances the natural sweetness of the basil, but you can omit it if that is not your preference. Now it's time to plate up. I'm serving my chicken bruschetta with brown jasmine rice and sauteed asparagus. Top your chicken with the bruschetta, and for garnish, don't forget those delicious garlic chips we made. An additional option for garnish would be balsamic glaze and shaved Parmesan. Give it a try. And there you have it, bruschetta chicken. Thanks for watching.